Alright, I'm going to show you guys a 2010 Dodge Nitro. We're going to cut a key and program it quick with the AutoProPad. First we are going to choose Dodge Nitro. Codes. Let's go to the book. That was the leashy reading. Got M1830. M1830. Next. If you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, whatever you want to do, leave a comment, and I'll show you guys how to run the leashy picks and things like that. If, you know, anybody enjoys the video. If not, I'll go on about my business. U1. We're going to open this up and do this like a one-arm bandit here. U1 roughly doesn't have to be 100%. Tighten this down. There's our key code. Tells us where to put it. Cut. Try to zoom in on this so you guys can see. This machine's going to touch off on everything the first time just to make sure everything's calibrated correctly. Checks the cutter. Checks the depth of your key. Make sure you inserted it correctly, or semi-correctly, I guess you could say. Okay, and that's done. I'm going to jump back in the car and I'll be right back with you. Alright, here we go. Let's head back into the car. Don't mind this vehicle. This thing is an absolute disaster. We're in a local junkyard. They just want to make sure that the motor runs good. Look at this thing. Disgusting. Key in, on, security is blinking. We are going to go Chrysler, agree, guys, this way. We're going to select by vehicle. This Dodge Nitro 7 to 10. Doesn't like my gloves. We're gonna read the pin. Got 5026. Okay. We're going to program a blank key. Just hit continue. 5026. Okay. Total of 4 keys in. I didn't erase or anything like that. And sorry about this wind. It's nuts here today. Okay. Check the key. Lock. Unlock. We're going to put the key in. Security is out and ready to fly. Thanks for watching. If you like this, subscribe, whatever you need to do. And we'll go from there. We'll see if we'll make some leashy videos or whatever. Thanks.